Module 34 Activity Report. Another free lesson to help you become a better coder. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your continued support helps make these videos possible. And as always, I thank you all for watching this video. In this video, we are going to create an activity report based on the selected options. There are three types of activity report, namely by employee, by activity, and by date range. Alright, let's go coding. Good morning. Alright. Bright and early. Let's continue with our project. Project management. Alright, last time we did the report. What was the report? I think it was project report. This time we're gonna continue. Let's see what report we're gonna be doing. Let's make this one 34 and report 5. Alright, let's go in there. Let's take a look at what we did last time. Let's log in. Oops. Alright, last time we did project report. And if we did all, we'd view 2 projects. And it says project or customer. And if we did customer, alright, and there are 2 reports. And it says by customer. Now if you want to display customer name right here, you can. Yeah, let's take a look at what we did there. Let's edit that, close that, and it's in the header, so we're gonna go to the header. Let's go to the header. Report header. Let's go to report header. Right there. Oops, there's a footer. Let's see what we can do here. Report filter. Okay, alright. Yeah, we can do that. Let's go back to the form. We know where we need to put that guy in. Let's go to report option here. Yeah, we're gonna tweak just a little bit more. Alright, just to show you that there are, yeah, you can do whatever you want. See right here, customer right here. So to get the customer name, we will want to do this. Let's go to let's open up the customer DB access right here. So we got get and set. We're gonna copy this guy and put it right there, and we're going to say customer name. let's put get customer name, and we're just gonna tweak this just a little bit here, like so, and then we want this to be string, and we're just gonna copy that guy. Just like that, equals, oh hold on just a second here, like so, and then get rid of this and change this to get customer name right here, delete that. That ought to give us the customer name. Alright, so let's close, yeah, let's close that. Now, instead of doing that, we're just gonna do this. Customer DB access, get customer name, and then me, CBO, customer, CBO project customer. I think that should give us oh yeah, you know what, let's move this guy inside here, copy, let's move this guy inside here, not that one, this one right here. See how we validated here? So we want to make sure that we validate the drop down list. Alright, the combo box, make sure it's this guy is not empty, so that's why we move this guy in here. Alright, that should give us something here. Let's take a look and then we just move on to the next report. Alright, just so it's just want to show you that you can tweak the report however you want to. Alright, however you want to. Let's go to report, customer, you see there, American Bytes, see there, American Bytes. That's how you tweak things. So you can change this header name however you want. It's really up to you how you want to do it. Alright, now let's do activities. Yeah, let's do activities. We can do activity by, let's see, this right here. So I noticed this lists all employees. I think what we want to do here is we want to list activities, list employees that has activities. That way we don't have to select all, see all these employees, because some of these guys don't have activities. Alright, so yeah, let's do that. Before we start doing this report, let me show you how to limit these employees to activities only. Alright, let's go to a design view. I'm going to minimize this instead of close it out. Let's take a look at CBO employee. CB right here. Alright, and I'm just going to move him down there so I know what I'm working with. So here is because we are working off with this activity list right here. Alright, there should only be that many employees. You see there, employee. So what we can do is to select employee ID and employee. Alright, and then we just list these guys. Only 2 employees has activities. You don't want to list everybody. Okay, only list this inner join query here. All right, so we know what fields we need to list. Let's close it out. Activity list. Let's go over here to the right, down to row source, and we can tweak this. We're gonna, yeah, let's do employee from query activity list ordered by employee. That ought to give us something there. Push him back up there. Save. Alright, let's take a look. Activity, employee, you see there? Oh, okay, look at this. Look at this. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 activities. We need to group this. We are almost done, but not quite done. So we need to group that. Alright, let's go back to the let's go ahead and find this guy right here, employee on this side right here. There, and then zoom in, and then we want to do group by, and I'm just going to copy this guy right here. All right, now to do a group by in Access, you have to make sure all the column list everybody in there, right? List all the columns you selected. All right, that's how you do group by. Save. All right, activity. You should see 2 of them. Yep, that's just like that. Just like that. Okay, let's see. How about the activity types? Well, activity types is okay because it's only a couple of them. All right. So normally you would want to, these are all coming from the activity type and the date range. Okay. All right. So that's good. That's good. Let's go tweak this. Let's go tweak this. Gonna go to a design now. Back to the code. So down here, this is the project. Still, here's the activity. So what you could do is you can come up here where it says project here, and then you can do the select. You see here, get all these messages here. All right, notification rather. So we can do select case activity option. All right, see activity options. We got activity option. So in there we can say, let me do an easy way here. See here. And I'm gonna copy this guy right here. It's essentially the same thing, so I'm just gonna copy that guy. All right. So if it's case 1, that means it's all employee. But right here, I'm gonna put that guy right there. You see there? So the statement the SQL is from, let's tweak this to activity list. This one is by, we want to say, we want to do similar situation. Also, this is all is okay. And here I'm just gonna copy this guy to here. What option validated, that's good. No records found, that's good. Alright, and that's for all. Now for the, here's the option 2. Actually this is not all customer. This is yeah. So here we need to change this. We'll change this one. If means if not is no. We want to validate this combo CBO employee. Then we want to do all these right here. Alright. And then we've got this query right here. We can copy. We can use this is one right here. It's the same thing here. Actually, you know what? Actually, we can just go ahead and copy the whole thing here down there. All we have to do is just change the query. That's all. So I'm just gonna copy the whole thing there. Copy that guy to right here. Alright, so this is query activity list, and then this one it says employee required, and we're going to change this one to employee CBO employee, and then this guy CBO employee, except we're going to change this employee DB access, employee name. Let's see, do we have employee name in here? Nope. So we need to tweak the yeah, let's do that. Let's go to employee DB access. Matter of fact, let's do this. You know what? This one will guarantee us something here. Yeah, this one's fine. I'm gonna grab this guy. I am gonna grab that guy. Move him to the very top. And say employee name, get employee name, return string, change this one to employee ID, change that to employee ID. Oops. Like so. Copy that guy. And then we're just gonna go to equals first name last name. Just like that, and that should be good, and take that end if out. Alright, save. That looks good. That looks good. Alright. Now if you don't want to go to the database to get that, how can you get that without going to the database? Oh, hold on, wait up. Case project, oh, right here. Employee required. You could do this. Employee get, like so. Or I'll show you another way to get this without going to the database, without going to the function. But right now, let's do that. So, oops, CBO employee, and gonna copy that, make sure they are the same there, and that's it. That should be good right there. That should be good right there. Alright, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's go to the front, close that guy. And that's one pre-selected. We don't have any activities. We should see some activities here. I don't see activities. We know it's something's there. And we want to take a look at the report here. Employee, this guy, activities. This record source. No record source. See there? You gotta make sure that we change the record source. Query activity list. That's why we didn't get done with this thing. Alright, so let's add. Yeah, we didn't finish adding anything in here. That was the problem. Let's take a look at this project report. We make sure we want to conform to this height right here. See here? See the height? I want to copy that height. Copy. As a matter of fact, we can make that smaller, right there, and then move this guy up just a tad, right there. While we add it, we're going to change his text to just black. All right, and I'm gonna copy this guy. Actually, you know what? Let's change his height first. The height of the header. So I'm gonna go right there, select, and then change height, and then select the report height here. Copy, That one selected. See there, that's the report height. And I'm gonna copy this guy. Oops. It does not paste for us. Let me do this. Let me grab this guy, copy, and select, paste. Oh, it's up there. Yeah, it's up there. You see that? It's right behind there. I think. Let's do that. Let's do that. Yep, it goes right behind that guy, so yeah. This is the thing that you have to tingle with. And put right there, and I'm gonna just copy this guy. I think that's good enough for now. If we need some more fields, we'll make adjustment. Oops. I start to see some lines going on here. That looks good right there. So we can put a date there or a date there. You know what? Like so. There. I want to go right there. Alright, let's put the fields in there. This one should be wait a minute, we copied the caption. Okay, well that's fine. That's the caption, so let's get the let's get this guy. Copy. That's the label. We want text box right here. Now we're gonna change this guy to what is this guy? Activity list. Activity list. We want to get this activity date. Yeah, we want a date there. All right. I'm gonna copy that. Paste. Maybe one more paste. Maybe one more, and we can always delete. Not that one. This one can be employee. Right there. Copy, paste. Forgot to change the name here. There. So we got date, we got name. How about activity? This one, activity type, activity name. Activity name. We don't have activity type name. Let's see if like so. Let's see what else can we what else do we want to see? What else do we want to see? What else do we want to see? I think that's good enough. I think that's good enough. Maybe a project. If it's related to a project, we know it is related to a project. Alright. So I'm gonna take that out. and we don't want to save that, we just want to save this guy. Alright, so let's take a look at the that's better. Oh, we got Zoe too. What happened? We only want to see Jack. See, just like that. What happened? What happened? What happened? Alright, let's take a look why it's not returning. Oh, I know why. I know why. If you go to report right here, if you open up the report, we forgot to set the report query. Oops. There. If you take a look at this guy right here, project. See right here? I'm just going to copy this guy right here. Copy. And then open up the activity report right here. Design, and go back to the code behind and paste. That should do the same thing right there. Alright, so this guy and this guy should be the same. Report, activity, report, project. Alright. So let's close them down. You know what, while we add it, I want to take the lines out. I don't like the lines. Design. Select this detail and see this right here. Say no color. Save. Okay, now we're good to go. We should be good now. Activity. That's better. And you got the same scenario. Instead of customer, it's employee. You see there? We just need to change the header. Alright, and this is customer related. So let's go add modify the header, the column header. Column header, this guy is I'm just gonna move right there. There. Activity date seems to be long. Select both of those guys. I'm gonna shrink him down like so. And this activity name, I think that should be good right here. So let's go ahead and change this date, employee, type, related, yeah, that's good enough. You can name whatever you want. Alright, let's take a look at it again. It should be good. It should look good. Yeah, that date kind of way out there. So we can align this to the left. Alright, but I'll let you tweak that yourself. But that looks good right there. That's all we done there. Alright, now let's do the activity type. We're gonna do a report by activity type by this guy right here. So let's go to code behind. Close that guy, close that guy. This would be option 2 right here by activity type. Alright, by activity type. So we're gonna do same things. Copy that. Replace this guy. Leave that there. Let's do type required. Alright, and we're gonna check CBO activity type. And now here's another way to get activity type without going to the database, without going to the DB Access, like this guy. All right, I think we can do this. All right, column, you see that, and we're gonna say 1. That's another way to get there. All right, now 1 might be a number, but we'll see. Which we'll start with 1, and then we'll just climb up if it doesn't. All right, and here we'll say activity type ID, CBO activity type. That should be good. That's all we have to do. All right, save. Let's take a look. Change to that. Incoming, you see there, and incoming. Okay, so yeah, this one right here, we didn't have to go to DB Access to get the name. We just get it from the combo box. All right, we just get it from a combo box. That's good. So we got related to project here. See there. That's good. That's the activity type. All right, so 1 more to go. Date range. Date range, let's take a look again. Date, we did this way back when, so let's do date range. All right, we're gonna do date range. Come back over here. Similarly, copy right here. Same old. We're gonna copy this guy. So if it's case 3, we're gonna do this. All right. So now we don't have this validation, but we do have the date validation up here. You see here, right here, you see there. So I'm just going to copy this guy. Copy, just top, that's first line, and replace this guy with that, like so. All right. Oops, what happened there? And then we wanted to change this guy, date range required. All right. Now the filter would be from me. Oops, we gotta put the ampersand in there. Me from to like so. All right, now activity date between how and how to just like that. Save. Just like that. So we can get the select here, we validate the date range, and we say, hey, the where clause filter. Oh, this is the name, the title name, and then we'll say where activity date between these two dates. All right, so let's take a look. So we know something in April, so I'm going to put April 1st. There you go. We know something in April. Let's go to April, the end of April. See this here, from to current date. All right, so we'll change this to April 30th. April 30th. We're eliminating two other ones. You see there? See, April 30th. So that's how you do report. All right. How about let's change that to 6/6/2. From to. So that's the report for the activity. All right. Nice and simple. Just did a couple tweaking here and there and changing the query. That's that for now. Next one we're gonna do either the customer or the invoice. All right, there you have it. There you have it. Let me see if we select this guy. Incoming, no incoming. We should not get anything in there. How come? Thought we were done. Incoming. We should not get anything in there. The incoming. Why is that? Why is that? What's going on? What is going on? Select everything from query activity list where activity type equals activity type. Well, hold on here. False. We don't need to put it there. Why is that? This is redundant. You see me removing this. This is redundant. See here? That's redundant. We already predefined this guy up here. You see that? That's why it's redundant. So, but it doesn't hurt to leave it there. Doesn't hurt to leave it there, but it is redundant. Yeah, why? I'm interested in this. Why? let's take at the report option validated. This right here should not oops, not that one, this one right here. I'm interested in this one right here. Why is it true? Why is it true? Let's take a look. Oh, it says incoming. It says no record. You see that? So that's right. But why does it go in there? That's the question. Right? So let's take a look at this guy. That guy is false. You see there? And it should not go in there. Alright, it should not go in there. So I know it's going to be 0 here. Just gonna go there, and then continue there. See that? It jumps to this guy and select that one. So we know it's false. I'll go ahead and take that out. Save. Now I don't understand why it opens that up, because it should not go in there. So somewhere in here it says true. Oh, right here. See, that's why. Somewhere in there says true. That's why. You see there? Did you see what else? I'll go ahead and take that out, because that's gonna give us some headaches here. There. Alright, that's the problem right there. You see that? We left the option. Yeah, we left the option under there. And this one right here should not be there. Okay, let's try that again. That should just do it. Let's try that. No record found. You see there? Incoming email. Good. Oh, we need to clear this message, remember? We need to clear that message. Need to clear that message. Label caption, like so. I think we when we switch, we also clear the message. All right, right there when we switch a filter, when we switch the selection. All right, so that's fine. Alright, so if we click that, that should be gone. Let's take a look. Yep. So that's it. That's how you do it. Alright, that got us thinking. I'm glad we went back in there. Okay. Glad we went back in there. It will select incoming phone call, no message, no records found. Alright. Alright. So that's that for today. Next one, like I said, we're going to do customer or invoice. And happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.